Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. You are in the right place. I'm going to share some tips and tricks that you should know for online business loans, how to get one, and more importantly, some things that you need to watch out for. So stay tuned. So as I mentioned, you are definitely in the right place. I've helped business owners secure over $2 billion in business funding for their businesses. And a lot of that funding were through like online and fast lenders. So some things that are really important. One is if you are going to work with someone, you should work with a marketplace that has multiple lenders in one place. Super important. The reason is one lender is not a good fit for every business owner, right? And depending on your industry, where you're located, how much revenue you're doing, your industry, your time in business, your personal credit score, your cash flow, what you're looking to use money for, the lending product you're looking for, depending on all those things will make up really which lender is going to give you the best deal. And if you don't work with that right one, you might not get the best deal for you and your business. Most online lenders are going to work off of cash flow. They're going to look at the last 3 to 6 months of your business bank statements. They're going to look at how much money is coming in, how much money is staying in. They'll also look at your time in business and your personal credit score. Depending on all that is going to make up what you're going to get approved for. All those things matter and will make a difference in your approval. So if you know that you're going to go apply, make sure that you're keeping and managing your money in your business bank account. The more money that you keep in there, the better. But the most important thing is that you don't go negative. Having negative days in your business bank account is a no-no. It's a bad thing. It's frowned upon by basically every online lender. So make sure that you're managing your money in your business bank account. Banks are pretty much out at this point. Banks are really very tight. They're not really lending. And most of the deals they're doing are very, very large deals. 10, 20 million plus to very, very big companies. So the online or the non-bank lending route is the right way to go, and you're thinking about this the right way. Some things to look out for. One is just applying with one lender directly. If you apply with one lender directly and not a marketplace, you'll never know if you're getting the right option, and you're gonna have to shop around from lender to lender to lender. It's a lot of work. Second is reputation and reviews. Please just do a simple Google search of whoever you're going to work with. Make sure they've got good reviews. Make sure they've got a good online reputation. There's so many scams out there in this world today and on the internet, and especially when it comes to anything financial. So make sure, especially if you're going to give out your information, fill out an online application, do a Google search, look at Trustpilot, look at Google, make sure that we've got reviews, and make sure those reviews are good. If they're not, just move on. My company, National Business Capital, has thousands of online reviews because we're doing the right thing. So any company that's doing the right thing should have great reviews. If they're not, then they have no reviews or they have bad reviews. But I can't tell you how many business owners come to us that have gotten scammed because they didn't do a simple search and look up the company online. So please don't get scammed. And then lastly, make sure the company's been in business for a decent amount of time. There's some companies that put up really great websites, but they've only been doing this for a year or two. There's a lot of those companies out there. You want to work with a reputable company that's been doing this for a long time that can really explain the different options that are available to you, break it down, make it easy. No two lenders are the same. Some online lenders have terms that go out to 1 to 2 years. Some have terms that are 6 months. Some have high rates, some have lower rates, and a lot of them have all different types of credit requirements and revenue requirements. So make sure that you're working with someone that can bring all those different lenders to one place and make your life easier. Being that there's so many different businesses out there, so many different industries, and every business owner like yourself has been in business for a different amount of time, has different revenues, has different credit. All of those variables are going to make up what you're going to get approved for. So instead of trying to cover all of those variables, what I recommend is check out the link below, get connected with my team. We can do a quick discovery call with you, talk through your situation, what you've got going on, your revenue, your sales, and more importantly, what you're looking to use money for. And then we can match you with the right lender, and we can get you funding very quickly. But more importantly, we'll take the guessing game out of shopping around from lender to lender and giving your information out all over the internet. That's not a good idea. So check out that link below, get connected with my team, and we look forward to helping you access the right lender, the right capital, doing it quickly, doing it with integrity and transparently, and helping your business grow. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe.